Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your watch is updated and paired. This ensures the keyboard is available and responsive. Once done, open Messages or Mail and tap a text field. The keyboard appears automatically when compatible. If you see Scribble, tap the keyboard icon to switch. You're starting here to avoid wasted steps and to let the system allocate memory for predictive text. This makes typing smoother and reduces lag as you proceed to actual input. Now you'll type using quick path or tap keys. Swipe with one finger for faster words and tap when precision matters. Make sure to glance at the suggestion bar. Tap a suggestion to save time and reduce errors. Once comfortable, switch to emoji or dictation from the mode icon for short replies. If you need capital letters or punctuation, use the Shift and punctuation keys. This workflow balances speed and accuracy, so you can send concise messages without returning to your phone. Finish by reviewing your text. Scroll with the digital crown or use backspace to edit, then tap Send or Done to complete the message. If the keyboard freezes, switch to dictation to keep working while you troubleshoot. First, restart the watch, then verify watch OS is current and the phone is nearby. If problems persist, unpair and repair as a last resort. This often clears pairing glitches. Keep these steps in mind so you can recover quickly and stay productive.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.